All right. Hey, Spruha. Um, let's start with one other very interesting story for today. This is more towards perform your duties regularly because work is always better than procrastination or taking it as a granted or taking it, being lazy, right? So rather than being lazy, you have to perform your work and duty regularly, right? And you also, of course, you have to maintain um, your life is not, it's not just a possibility, right? You have to keep on going with your good efforts and get succeeded, right? So if it is a examination time, you just cannot follow lazy approach saying that okay, I will just prepare one day before the exam and get ready. Rather than you have to be consistently practicing. This is very similar topic what we discussed yesterday, right? But there are few other examples. Okay, so if you have any fear in your mind, rather than you know having some fear and being lazy not to take up the work, you have to challenge yourself and work hard and get ready, right? For that you have to prepare and get going, not being in a lazy, right? Not, you should not be in a lazy mode, rather you have to be active and keep practicing, right? Similarly, if something is going on for any people on the road, you just cannot ignore and get things going. You have to be ready and then have a habit of helping others, which is a good habit, right? So the way these things will inculcate in you is with the practice. You just cannot show the act of kindness out of nowhere. It has to be in your practice. Any smaller minor activities, whatever you perform, it should be in your habit rather than doing things, right? Similarly, if you are, if you want to be a fluent reader in a book, it cannot be a immediately if you grab a book you cannot read it, right? Like let's say you are not that great reading faster in Sanskrit. Can you read very fast just by grabbing a book like that? No, you have to practice. You should slowly start reading one line, one para, and then you will get the habit of reading faster, right? So that should be like a habit rather than just picking up once in a day or once in a while, right? Similarly, if you want to practice waking up early and start your day fresh, that cannot be once in a while activity. It has to be a routine practice, right? So that self discipline every day, if you do it, you will be, as normal to start your day early, right? If you are just starting very early once in a while, then your body cannot be so fresh, correct? So it has to be in your routine practice, right? You should not be following the lazier approach, rather you have to be taking the right approach to practice, right? Like let's say you are in a great speaking competition, you are going and giving a big speech in front of hundreds and thousands of people. You have to practice. You just cannot walk up to the stage and try to present it, right? So you have to stand in front of mirror and keep practicing, and then you will do the great job of presenting in front of several people with great gesture, great presentation skills, right? Similarly, you have to have a habit of listening to your teachers and elderly people, right? If you are not doing that as a practice, if you are just ignoring their advices, then even though if you are listening to a very special event, very special lesson, right, then you will eventually don't lose, you will not have a focus, right? You will lose that particular attention. But it has to be in your habit of listening carefully and then learning, right? Very similarly, you cannot be just lazy, right? You have to, if you want to learn a skill, you have to practice now and then, right? Regularly. When you start doing that, then it will be in your habit of doing things, right? So all you are trying to do here is you are in a practice of doing things regularly in a right way rather than being lazy. Okay, this is a Very important, right? Very similar to that. If you are presenting in front of many people, if you are just worried, how do I do that, and just pushing yourself not to do, rather you practice and go and do and present in a better way, right? In a way, if you have to make a muscle, or if you are practicing for a marathon or a run, it cannot be just a one day activity, right? You have to practice, right? And then you can win the game, correct? It has to be in your routine practice, right? Similarly, household and household activities, you cannot be just sitting lazy. You have to practice and keep it in a routine practice. There are a bunch of examples. Everything talks in the same way, right? So we will go about a small story where in a school there is a science fair, and the teacher has given a solar system to build, right? I will try to pull up, right? So your team has to build a solar system and then present in the science fair, right? And there were three people, right? One is Aarav and Riya and Kabir, right? Kabir is a very similar guy which we usually pick up as a person or a kid who plays video games and he's slightly distracted. And Aarav is little bit of a lazy, okay? So he says, no, I know how to do this solar system. I know how to build it. Let me take it up just one day before my science fair, and I can just prepare it overnight and get going, right? But Riya, who's actually a hardworking girl, and she worked hard and she learned everything on how to present it when someone comes and asks for a bunch of questions, right? In science fair, people will come and ask some questions, right? Similar to that, she prepared well. Even though the system was built properly, she could able to present and explain and answer all the questions, right? That put her into the success stage and she won the prize, right? And that happens only because of hard work and practice, correct? You just, so in a way, what we are doing is, in this shloka, we are saying you cannot be, you always have two approaches, right? One with a hard work and regular practice, and the other one is lazier approach, right? I can just do it one day before the exam and get things going, right? So in this shloka, we are actually learning about, you should never take a lazy approach. Rather, you have to be in practice and then get going, right? See, this is where she got a prize, because she really put in hard work, correct? So let's try to learn it, one shloka, and then its word by word meaning as well, okay? Niyataṁ kuru karma tvaṁ.
Niyataṁ kuru karma tvaṁ.
Karma jyāyaḥ.
Karma jyāyaḥ.
śarīra-yātrā picate.
śarīra-yātrā picate.
Na prasiddhyet akarmaṇaḥ.
Na prasiddhyet akarmaṇaḥ.
Niyataṁ, prescribed or necessary. Kuru, perform. Karma, action, right? So one has to perform their actions or duties regularly rather than being lazy. Tvaṁ, you. Karma, work. Jyāyaḥ, better or superior. He, certainly. Akarmaṇaḥ is very important one. The inaction, people who are not doing anything, okay, that's not good. You have to act, you have to work, you have to learn, right? So akarmaṇaḥ is doing no action, inaction, right? Just eating and sleeping, right? So that should never be the case, okay? śarīra-yātrā, the maintenance of the body, that is how our life journey is, our life is, right? Api, even, cha, te, your, naha, na, not, prasiddhyet, can be achieved. Nothing can be achieved by sitting idle, sitting, with no action in it, right? Akarmaṇaḥ, without an action, right? So what we are trying to learn here, one should not just sit idle, right? You have to work hard to learn it. So let us learn the moral. Okay. So what is the moral? Work hard instead of waiting. Can you say? Work hard.
Work hard instead of waiting.
Success requires consistent effort.
Success requires consistent efforts.
Laziness leads to disappointment.
Laziness leads to disappointment.
Very good. The final outcome is hard work. You can say that. Hard work,
Hard work,
responsibility,
responsibility,
and effort
and effort
lead to success.
lead to success.
If you do your duty sincerely,
If you do your duty sincerely,
results will follow.
results will follow.
Very good.